Are you guys wondering what I'm holding in the cup? Are you suffering with hormonal imbalance, digestion issue, or you're a new mom? 6 times more iron than a spinach, 2 times more calcium than a oats. So this is very powerful seed. You are suffering with lots of iron deficiency and low in hemoglobin level. Do you feel struggle with your hair loss? Then this video is perfect for you. Namaste beautiful soul. Today we are going to talk one of the most underrated seeds. So people know about chia seed, pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds and many others. But this is one of the powerhouse for iron, blood pumping, for one of the best seed for new mom. So what is this seed? This is a tiny seeds. The name of the seed called Halim Seeds. 6 times more iron than a spinach, 2 times more calcium than a oats. So this is very powerful seed which everyone can consume. Let us understand more about this Halim seeds. These tiny reddish brown seeds packed with many nutrition have been used in Ayurvedic since centuries. These seeds are extraordinary high source of iron, calcium, vitamin A, C, antioxidant, protein, fiber, and one of the best seed for hemoglobin level increasing. People with low blood pressure, they must consume this seed every day to balance. And because of too much stress and bad lifestyle, especially women are facing problems like hormonal imbalance, PCOD, thyroid, irregular period and many more. With that, hair loss issues. So do you want strong, shiny, healthy hair? Then you have to consume it every day. So when you want to consume this Halim seed, so every day you have to consume it at the morning time, empty stomach. How to do and all those things I'm going to talk in the next video. In today's video, I'm just giving a light information about the seeds, that's it. How to use and all, I'm going to make a other separate video soon. Halim seeds are a tiny seeds which has packed with many powerhouse of nutrition. Halim seeds are naturally warm. So they are so healthy, packed of good fiber and one of the best seed which have good amount of fat. When you consume a good amount of fat, of course you will get a nice digestion. This is one of the best seed for you to improve your digestion. So let us see what are the benefits by consuming it every day at the morning with empty stomach. One of the good seeds to improve the iron level, they promote the calcium, magnesium, so it's good for the bones and the teeth. Halim seeds are rich in a fiber which supports healthy digestion and may helps relieving the constipation. One of the best seeds for weight management, good source of fiber and the protein. Especially these seeds are good for women with the problems like irregular period and hormonal imbalance. Precaution: start with small amount and see how your body responds to it. If you are a pregnant lady, then you have to take a consultation of nice wellness coach or else Ayurvedic doctor. While you are consuming this seed, just make sure to drink enough water. Before I end this video, I want to tell you one thing. These tiny seeds which valuably change your life when you combine good exercise, yoga, proper diet, balanced food and good sleep can change your entire life. So how to consume, how to eat this, I'm going to share in next video. Till then, keep on watching and wait for my next video. So with this positive note, hope you like this video, hope you will include this seed in your life and I'll be back with other videos soon. Namaste, take care, have a great day, bye bye.
ಲೋಕ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು ಸನ್ಮಂಗಳಾನಿ ಭವಂತು.